Today, I'm going to show you how to insert one Word document into another. This is super useful for creating reports, compiling documents, or combining sections of your work. Let's get started. First, open the main Word document where you want to insert another document. Next, click to place your cursor where you want the document to be inserted. Go to the Insert tab. Here you'll find several objects. Add text, click on Object. In the drop-down menu, choose Text from File. This will open a browser. Now browse to find the Word document you want to insert. Once you've located it, click on it to select, then click on Insert. Then after that, click on OK. And just like that, the content from your selected document will be inserted into your main document. You can now format it as needed. And that's how easy it is to insert one Word document into another. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.